Hey everybody, welcome back to another Jackson Jet Setting hotel review. Today we're checking out the Hyatt Regency Paris Étoile, which is located in Paris, France, close to the Arc du Triomphe. It's a skyrise building with fantastic views of all of Paris. We got upgraded to a Eiffel Tower view room, as you can see there. So let's check out the whole hotel and give you a full tour and rundown. So I am a Hyatt globalist. I do get some special treatment when I check into a Hyatt hotel. We got the nice upgrade as well as club access. Yes, the club lounge is now open again, which was fantastic. Nice big lobby. There was a recent renovation at this hotel within the last few years, so everything seems nice and fresh and new. The main lobby is also where the globalist breakfast and regular breakfast for paying guests is being held right now, even though the club lounge is open. But the fitness center is located one level up from the lobby. It kind of overlooks the lobby back where that last shot was taken. Looks like 3 conference rooms were basically converted for a fitness center, which actually isn't a bad thing. There was lots of new equipment and there was plenty of room, so I felt like that was a pretty nice option for guests. So this is the top floor of the hotel. I believe it's the 35th floor. So that's a window bar during the day. At night it really pops off. Nice little bar, lounge atmosphere with Eiffel Tower views. They're doing some art exhibit the night that we were there, so definitely check that out if you're a guest. Next door to window is the club lounge. So snacks in the evening with beer and wine. Lots of nice fresh items. Really enjoyed my time there. Here's the entrance to the hotel from the Palais de Congrès in the mall, and here's the breakfast downstairs in the morning. So huge buffet, lots of guests here at the hotel. It's a pretty big hotel, so definitely worth checking out if you're a globalist or if you would just want to pay for a nice buffet breakfast. And here's our room. So basically the same size as a regular room, just with an upgraded view. You'll notice that the bathroom itself and the whole room really is pretty small. Kind of expected for Paris, but I felt like everything was pretty well designed. So Evian waters, I felt like that was a nice little high-end benefit at the hotel. But yeah, a toilet, sink, and Euro shower. Not my favorite, but shower worked fine. Good water pressure. You did have to kind of balance the shower head because it was one of those removable ones, so nothing that's fixed into the wall. But king bed, nice big flat screen television, but really the biggest highlight of the room is this view of the Eiffel Tower and all of Paris. Which is very unique. So thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy these types of videos. Really appreciate the view. Have a great day.